Something unusual is happening far from Washington, far from Europe, far from the usual flashpoints. In the waters of off Africa, a quiet but very powerful message is being sent. Warships from China, Russia, and Iran. They are sailing together, not for patrol, not for any sort of coincidence, but for a planned show of strength. You're watching TimesXP. It's me, Triti Yatri. Well, this is BRICS Plus in action. The location matters. The ships have gathered near South Africa, close to Simonstown, a historic naval base with deep strategic value. Africa is no longer just a bystander in global power games. It is becoming the stage now. Well, the exercise has a calm name, Will for Peace 2026. But behind the name lies a serious signal here. Navies that rarely operate together, they are now coordinating openly. China brings scales, advanced destroyers, long-range capability, a blue water navy that now operates far from home. Russia brings experience here, battle-tested crews, deep naval tradition, basically a country used to operating under pressure and sanction. And here, third factor, Iran brings intent. A navy shaped by decades of confrontation, specialized in asymmetric tactics, focused on disrupting stronger opponent. Together, they are practicing anti-piracy mission. They are running counter-terror drills. They are coordinating maritime security operations. On paper, it sounds routine, but in reality, it is strategic theater. This drill comes at a very sensitive moment. Global tensions are already high. Warnings of conflicts are growing louder. The United States has issued strong signal about possible military action in multiple regions. This naval gathering is not accidental timing. This is a response, a visual answer, a reminder that pressure will not go unanswered. BRICS Plus is no longer just an economic idea. It is slowly gaining a security dimension. Not a formal military alliance, but basically a platform for coordination. South Africa's role, it is very important. By hosting the exercise, it signals independence. It shows Africa is not choosing sides quietly. It is asserting relevance here. For Washington, this raises an uncomfortable question. How many fronts can global power manage at once? How many regions are becoming contested spaces? And how fast coordination among rivals is improving? Well, for the world, the message is subtle but serious. Global power is becoming multipolar at sea, not just on land or in trade. Naval coordination is turning into diplomacy with steel. No missiles are fired, no shots are exchanged, but signals are being sent very clearly. 3 ships are not here by chance, they are here to be seen, they are here to be counted. The oceans are no longer neutral spaces, they are becoming mirror of global rivalry. And this drill of Africa, it is proof that balance of power is being tested far from the headlines.